Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can install OnlyFans app on your Android smartphone. To do so it's really easy, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. Let's go onto your settings on your smartphone. After that scroll down or search for apps, and after that go into apps. Here you can see that all the downloaded app on your mobile phone will appear here. Here, give it some time to load on your screen and it will load up. Now you just need to search for your app. You can scroll down and search for it manually, or just you can see there is a search icon on the top right corner of the screen. If you just click on this and search for OnlyFans, here you can see the app has appeared. Now go into that app and you can see an uninstall button on the bottom of my screen. Now if you just click on uninstall and confirm your action, the app will be installed on your Android smartphone. And this much for this video, and that's how you can install OnlyFans on your Android smartphone. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment, review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.